Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to load the content on another page, like without rewriting the codes on the other HTML page. So here is my page. This is an example page. There's like three boxes, and this is my second page where I want to display those boxes without having to rewriting the code. So here is the index page. So the first page with the three elements, the three boxes. First element, second element, and third element. So two of them, I gave them an ID, and the third one, I gave it a class. I will explain why later. Then there's the style and the CSS page to like decorate the page, this page. And here is the link for the CSS. And here is the second page. So I've already written a few stuff, but I'm gonna restart. So there's only we can go here and we can take a look. So in the second page, there's only the go back button and nothing else. So to display those elements on the second page, what we need to do is only go here and we're gonna create a div. And we're gonna give it an ID. I'm gonna call it displayed elements. You can call it whatever you want. Then we're gonna go down and we're gonna create a script tag. So script, and then to display those things, what we're gonna use is jQuery. So and more precisely, the element.load of jQuery. So you can take a look on their website. So the jQuery is like a JavaScript library that is used for the HTML websites. So to do so, we're gonna go and we're gonna copy this link, the script link, and I'm gonna put it in the head tags. So I'm doing like this, and I will put it here. Then in the script, I'm gonna write the $sign, and then I'm gonna do this, and in here we're gonna do hashtag, and we're gonna write the ID where we want to display those elements. So I will copy this and paste it here. Then we're gonna make a dot, and I'm gonna write load like this. After that, inside this, we're gonna write the first thing to write, as we can see on their website, is the URL. So where we can find the code. So the code that I want to bring on the second page is in the index page. So I'm just gonna write index.html. After that, I'm gonna make a space, and I'm gonna put the ID. So for the ID is the hashtag. I'm gonna put the first element ID. I'm gonna bring it to this page. First element. Now normally, if we go here on our page, you can see that it's displaying the first element, but it doesn't have the same look than on the first page, and that's correct. That's normal because we didn't link the CSS page. So to do so, you're just gonna go to your first page and copy the link. Oops, I did an error here. We're gonna copy the link to the CSS, and we're gonna paste it on the head lines of the second page. So now if we go back, as you can see, there's the first element as it should look on this page. Then you can also display the other elements. So to do so, you're gonna put like a comma, and you're gonna write the second ID. So my second element is this one. I'm gonna paste it, and it should display the second one. And for the third one, as I gave it a class, what we can do is just you copy the class, you put a comma here, and then you put a dot, and you write the name. So now I have the three elements. And what's good with this method is that, let's imagine what you have done is you only copy this and paste it on the second page. This will work, but it will take you more time to do. Plus, if you change, for example, a detail in the first page, for example, let's say I erase this, it will not show on the second page. And with our method, the load method, it will show. So you will not have to go on each of your files and edit them one by one. So in this one, you only need to edit one and it will edit everything. So I'm going to show you. So this is the index page, the first page, and this is the second page, it's the same. If I go back to the first page and I edit something, for example here, I'm going to write this. As we can see, it's written this. And now if we go to the next page, it will show us the same thing, so it's great. You only need to edit one time and it will edit everything. So this is the load method from jQuery. Actually, that was it. It was really simple. If you want to know more things about the load method, you can just go on their website, ip.jquery.com, and you can look everything. There's a lot of other cool stuff that you can use in your website. So this was it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If it's the case, please put the like button and subscribe. Thank you and bye.